Okay, welcome everyone to making a cake for 500 subs on YouTube. Woo! Don't mind that my hands are kind of blue like on the fingertips. I just dyed my hair. Anyway, today we're baking a basic cake because I don't have anything else to put in this cake. So, what do we need? That is the question. I have a little recipe on the side of my computer. First ingredient, sugar. This shit. We have the oil right there. Almond milk. Egg. First step, preheat the furnace, okay, to 180 degrees. So, come down with me. That's the best you'll see of me. So, how do I do that? Oh shit, I need to remove some stuff from the oven.
A few moments later.
How do we preheat again? I think it was this. And it's already at 180. Perfect. Put the eggs fully with the sugar in a big bowl till the mixture becomes kind of white and be homogeneous. Okay. I have my bowl. Where's my whisk? I have my whisk. Yippee! Hi. My bowl. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Get away from me. How many sugar?
Let's see. 7?
I don't know if I'm showing this right. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm an art student. Sugar, 150 is here. Thank God it's not 6, 7. I'm just gonna remove, I think, 25 grams because I have some vanilla sugar that I want to put in there to make it a tiny bit fancy. And then this bitch, which has some. I don't have. Do I have a fork?
Have you ever had a dream that you do?
I'm gonna try to put myself there. Hey!
Bro, are you flirting with my sister?
You'll see. What am I putting my ass on? So as I'm whisking that shit, I wanted to say to you, like, thanks, yo, for following me and stuff, because I'm not consistent either because of school and stuff. And my English isn't perfect and stuff. I'm still a learner on editing videos. I just really appreciate you guys being there and watching my videos when I put them out. I also want to thank the people on my Discord server, that is in the description by the way, and also the people following me on Twitch, because yeah, I began streaming on Twitch once again. Like on YouTube, I'm not consistent at all, because I'm a student. Do I have time? Not really. And we attained 30 followers on Twitch, which is somewhat of a milestone, so let's go. So, what's the next step? Add the flour, the salt, and the pink thing I put earlier. Then mix again to integrate everything. Okay. Flour is here. And I did 160 grams, so I'm gonna put 150 for now, and oh, put your bitch ass up. Like that one guy and his ass on YouTube. What am I even saying? Get in the box. Where's the salt? I didn't get the salt out. Salt. Yeah! Pink powder. And there's a child. No! No. I dropped it. I'm stupid. I mean, I think what happens with no, my whisk is breaking. I think what is that? Wait, what is that? Bitches, get out of here. Why does it happen when I'm filming? What is that?
They are my Crocs.
Was this the thing holding up my whisk? How do you think? I'm gonna go crazy. Why does this shit only happen to me when I'm filming? Why? Oh man, I'm gonna have to do it with my fork. Oh, I'm so disappointed. Oh, this cake is gonna be poo-poo, I feel it. It was supposed to be a simple thing. And then my fucking whisk broke on me. Oh my god, my hand hurts. So, I put the flour in. Now what do I do? Oh damn, the filling in my hands. No.
Disgusting!
So I need the milk, then the oil. I'ma be honest, I'ma eye it. Ah, the filling. Stop touching me. So they said a bit of oil. So I'm gonna do a splash of oil. I don't really like oil in cakes. I found it a bit weird. Mix, mix, mix. Would you look at that? Aren't I a little chef cooking mama? It's a disc. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, there's some little... Oh, I need the mold. I didn't think of taking that out. Shit. Okay, I have my mold. Taking out butter. And that's the moment where I don't have butter. Oh, that's funny. Out of everything I needed, I fucking forgot. Oh my god, butter. It's fine. I have butter. It's here. It's shiny. Ooh, shiny. The spatula is out. Because yes, I have multiple spatulas. Surprisingly enough. And now it's time to put this in there. I have the feeling my cake's gonna be flat. It's a disc! I should have put in more stuff. I don't have a smaller mold. There's always something that goes wrong with my cakes. Last time, for 300 followers, remember the mug cake? It overflew. It overflew. It was funny. Get down. Get down. Put in the furnace for 45 minutes. Okay, put this in there. And how do I do that again? Oh, fuck. Now I'm gonna put you guys in time lapse and I'm gonna do some cleaning. So let's try to get this cake out of the mold. Spatula. Yeah, it really feels like I kinda overcooked it. It's a well, it's coming out on its own. I literally can take it with my hand. What is my cake? It's a disc. Here you go. Beautiful. beautiful cake. I have to clean that now. Okay, gonna fetch the candles. Coming back. So we have Y.
Why?
We have B for YouTube because I don't have a T. Wait, do I have a T? Guys, I have a T. Why? Why TV? And I have 2 cats. What do you think? How do I use that again? Wait. Okay, I know how to use fire. Fire. Once again, thank you very much for 500 subs on YouTube, 30 subs on Twitch, and for anyone that came on my Discord server. I'm gonna blow the candles before we have some melting. Woo! Let's go! So, let's cut myself a little slice because I'm actually hungry anyway. Okay, so cool. Let's cut this. See, stop moving. It's quite biscuit on the side, but that's fine. We're gonna get better. You never know. Maybe the day I get 1 million subs, I'm gonna do a pièce montée. Who knows? Come on, get out. And this is what we have. A nice little cake. Taste test. Well, it's a cake. What do you want me to say? It's good. Not like overly good because it's a little bit overcooked, but it's great. Thank you for following me on baking this cake. Thank you for following me. Period. And see you guys for a next video. Don't forget to take care of yourselves. Don't forget to stay hydrated. And if it's your birthday, happy birthday, because birthdays are important. And yeah, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.